Hi, and welcome to Viva College's Grammar Check. Today I'd like to talk to you about the difference between by and until. Now both of these words are prepositions and they have a very similar meaning, so students often confuse them. The important thing to think about is what context am I using them in? So let me give you an example of how to use by. By is used when we're talking about deadlines, often related to work. For example, my project must be finished by 5 p.m. Or your homework. You need to hand in your homework by Tuesday. That is your deadline. You cannot hand in your homework after that point. Until, on the other hand, is used to describe a continuing action which needs to finish at a particular point. So for example, I can live here until February. So I'm focusing on the fact that I'm living here at the moment and that action can continue until a certain point. So although by and until both describe when an action finishes, they are used in different contexts to describe a different type of finish. That's all for now. Hope you'll join us again next time. Bye!